Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and eliminating easy causes. Back up to iCloud or Google Drive, then perform a soft restart by holding power and volume for 10 to 15 seconds. This can clear temporary driver glitches. Remove the case and screen protector so pressure or magnetic interference isn't skewing the display. Once done, inspect the edge of the glass and frame for bends or liquid. If the green tint persists after this, move on to display settings and software fixes. Now you troubleshoot software and color calibration. First, turn off night shift, blue light filters, adaptive color, and any developer color profiles. These alter color temperature and can produce a green cast. Make sure your OS and firmware are up to date because manufacturers push fixes for display drivers. Next, boot into safe or diagnostic mode to see if a third-party app is causing the tint. If safe mode clears it, uninstall recent apps. If not, prepare for hardware isolation. You now isolate the hardware. Power down and, if comfortable, open the back to check the display connector for debris or a loose latch. A poorly seated flex cable often yields green lines. If reseating doesn't help, replace the screen assembly. This fixes damaged OLED/TFT layers that shift to green. If you're under warranty or uncomfortable, take it to a certified repair shop. Troubleshooting tip: test with a known good display assembly first, because a bad connector can mimic a defective screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.